She was the judge who oversaw a dozen judges at Cook County Juvenile Court. Tonight, only on 2, we've learned retired Judge Patricia Martin has admitted to misconduct that fleeced hundreds of thousands of dollars from a former Tuskegee Airman. CBS 2's Chris Tye first broke the story and is back with new details that have her on the verge of losing her law license tonight.
If you can't trust a judge, who can you trust?
Ken Rapier is talking about this judge.
We had over 40,000 children in foster care.
Patricia Martin spent 24 years on the bench, retiring as Cook County's top juvenile court judge in 2020. Around the same time, the state Supreme Court, which investigates attorney misbehavior, alleges as her uncle's power of attorney, Martin used at least $246,000 of funds without his authority for her own personal purposes.
It really upsets me when somebody takes advantage of the Tuskegee Airman.
Her uncle was Chicagoan and Tuskegee Airman Oscar Wilkerson, who died in February. Earlier this month, a judge ordered Martin to pay Wilkerson's estate a jaw-dropping $1.1 million. Now we've learned she's owning up to it. In this affidavit obtained by CBS 2 filed Monday, Martin herself states the evidence would clearly and convincingly establish the facts and conclusions of misconduct. The first steps towards almost guaranteed disbarment.
Should she be disbarred?
Absolutely. I don't think anyone that can't be trusted should be on the bar.
It's going to shake the entire Circuit Court of Cook County.
CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller calls this admission a massive fall from grace.
She's agreeing that the evidence against her clearly, and she uses the word clearly, establishes that she committed misconduct in this particular case.
She could still face criminal charges as that $1 million repayment looms and faces a future stripped of a law license, all for something Wilkerson's friend says could have easily been avoided.
She could have waited until he passed away, and then she'd have had all the money. And, we wouldn't even be having this conversation.
Chris Tye, CBS 2 News.